Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error that says that no audio output device is installed on your Windows computer. So it could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it by opening up the Start menu. You can just go ahead and left click on the Start button one time. Type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Now you want to expand the System Devices section, so either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it. Now you want to look for something that says audio in the name of it. So again, it's going to depend on your computer here, but it should have the word sound or audio or something on those lines in here. So you want to go ahead and just right click on it. So you might have to scroll down a little bit to locate it. In my case, it's just a generic audio controller here, but you can see I don't see any other audio or sound named system devices in here, so I'm going to presume this is my audio device. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on it, and then I'm going to select update driver. Select the option that says browse my computer for driver software, locate and install driver software manually. And now you want to select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. I'm going to select the high definition audio controller. From the list, it should be pretty universal. No matter what computer you're running here, it should just say high definition audio controller. Select next. So it should be a pretty straightforward process here. And once you're done, it should say Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Select close, close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.